sobrang sobrang dami sa ano. Pwede na. Ay, ganun na MJ. Merry Christmas. Wala nang stress. Kaya huwag kayo may stress, guys. Wala nang stress. Kaya, enjoy. Enjoy lang tayo sa buhay. Ayun na, ito na maganda. Mas maganda tong view. Sandali ah. Yeah, that's a lot of view here in Vegas. Ayan guys, we are here at Nevada. Sunset over there. Ayan, look at me. A fam. Okay, let me see. Smile. Hello, Isa. Are they gonna climb on that one too? Right? It's too low.
They're that one in Alaska. You know, we have
I know, but in Minnesota, remember they complained because it's a grated cheese. They said Minnesota.
Oh, but that was too tall or something. You can't have this small thing. Yeah, let them complain. They'll move on. Hit a few more homeless on the road.
Stop
Oh,
that.
No, that's not.
Oh, look at the sunshine. Don't.
Yeah, I kind of thought it was pretty.
Hello, hello, si Marica Roy. Ay, gising na. Hindi na makapag-diet. Hello. Walang diet. Share muna yan. Kumain na kagad ako ng crispy pata. Walang diet. Grabe. Paano ba ako magda-diet? Pumunta nga dito para mag-hiking. Kunyari lang yun. Ayan. Kaya yun. Ay, ito. Hello, hello. May jacket pa to si Great Sofa. Ang tagal ko na rin tinag-ano, no? Ayan, ating 8 million in the house. Lolo. Magpapasko na. Ano ba yan? Hindi pa tayo nakapag-diet.
Oh, this is a.
Sunset na, guys.
The town of Pahrump.
Para ako nahihilo. So, dala ah. Town of what?
It said Pahrump. With a P, I guess we'll see it here a little bit.
Oh, really? Oh, look at that. Nice. Sunset doon. Wow, na-alls. May ganun. Nakadepende sa ulam ang diet. Oh. O, hindi ako kumain ng kanin. Ayun. Na-excite lang. Maps. There's a maps hat. Oh, that's all. I like the one that, you know how...
Yeah, there's like with
the place. Maybe your phone is, if it's connected.
Yeah, it may be. This one here is a little bit.
Hello, hello. Padilim na. Ayan. Dito si Tinay. Tinay, di na ako nakapag-ano kay Tinay. Si Tinay Creation. Dito siya. I'm going to California. Ayan. Mag-hiking sana. Pero kumain muna bago mag-hiking. Walang snow dito ngayon. So yun. Pagod lang guys. Walang tulog. Alas 12. Walang pag. Hindi na, walang time. 4 na araw lang dito. Go, go, go. So yun. Sandali ah. That's a nice one. Thank you. Looks at the sunset. That's nice, ha? Oo. Walang traffic, guys, dito. Oh.
Somehow we went into one lane. Weird.
Wow. Maybe because you're in the province.
Like we're getting in. I don't know. Kind of weird. Yeah, in the province.
Ay, grabe naman mga dito, desierto. Desierto na.